There are a number of different ways to connect your phone via Bluetooth to your new Panamera. One is phone and the other is devices. Let's select phone first. The bottom right-hand corner, you'll select Start Search. Now select Settings on your phone, Bluetooth, and wait for it to show up in the bottom section where it's Other Devices. There it is. Select Panamera. Select Pair on your phone. Accept on the PCM. Would we like to allow our favorites to sync? In this case, I would. Your phone has now been connected. Would you like to use Apple CarPlay? In this case, we'll select Yes. A new device has been detected. You can set up Apple CarPlay by saying Yes. Now your phone has been Bluetooth connected and you're connected to Apple CarPlay. Now another way to set up your Bluetooth connection between your phone and your new Panamera is through the Devices menu. Select Devices, Connect New Devices, Connect New Phone. On your mobile device, you'll select Settings, Bluetooth, and wait for it to show up at the bottom under Other Devices. Select Panamera, and you'll see a question to pair. Select Pair, and the code will match here on the screen, so select Accept. Would you like to allow your favorites to sync? I would like to allow. Would you like to use Apple CarPlay? I would like to use Apple CarPlay. On the PCM, it will ask you, a new device has been detected. Would you like to use Apple CarPlay? Select Yes. Your Apple device has now been connected via Bluetooth. It's possible to connect a second iPhone via Bluetooth to your new Panamera. You can do so by going through the Devices menu. Now once here, you must turn off Apple CarPlay to connect the second device. Once this is now white, you can select Connect New Devices, Connect New Phone. On your mobile device, select Settings, and then Bluetooth. Select Porsche Phone. With a pair request, select Pair. Would you allow contacts, favorites to sync? I'll allow for this video. Would you like to use Apple CarPlay? For this video, I'm going to say not now. Now I'd like to reactivate Apple CarPlay on the first phone we connected. To do so, you'll select the Apple CarPlay icon. Now Apple CarPlay is used on the original phone. Here in the Devices menu, you can see a number of options in which you can select. One is the device name, another here for favorite of that device. Here you can see you can change the actual phone that you would like to use in the PCM for phone calls. You can also select which device you would like to use as a Bluetooth media source. You have connectivity there, you've got your messages, and then also Apple CarPlay. If it was an Android device, it would be in this last column as well. You now can connect your iPhone via Bluetooth to your new Panamera.